Guys, welcome to another video on channel Epic Tech. In this tutorial video I'm going to show how you install Android 10 or Bliss OS with your Windows without doing anything to Windows or remove it. All I wanted to say is just there is sometimes an error occurs, so just watch this video till the end to know how can you fix it, because I searched YouTube and I found nothing about it. Now I'm gonna just move to my computer to show how you can do this. Goodbye. Now the first step is to download the ISO file. First thing, type Bliss OS in Google. Click on download. Click on development thread. In this page, there is a code you need to find to download this file. So you have just to search for something different. It has this word hint with it. Now just copy and paste it in our page. Go to downloads. I am going to leave this link in the description, but in case they changed it or anything updated it, you need to find this code. I have downloaded it before, so just now you need a flash drive to make a bootable USB flash drive. Plug it in and format it. Run bar ISO as administrator. Tools. Make bootable flash drive. Select the downloaded ISO file. Then now click on start. Now we need to make a new partition in case you want to remove this operating system, Android operating system I mean. So just create a new partition so we don't affect our Windows. Right click on your PC, manage, disk management, and just do what is on your display right now. Now after you have created the partition, shut down your PC and open boot menu. So in my case I have gigabyte motherboard. All I need to do is just to click F12, then select my flash drive. So you need just to figure out how to do this on your machine. It differs from one to another. Use your keyboard arrows to select this one, then click on enter. Select the partition you created. Don't reformat. Select yes, yes again. Now just leave it and click on enter. The first launch take a while, so I'm gonna just make the video 2x or 4x. If you want to use Windows system, just go down and select Windows in this menu. So sometimes there is an error which makes you unable to run any of them. I searched Google for it, but I found nothing. And the only thing I did and it worked is just I reinstalled this Android system, then removed it at all. So just I recommend you leave your bootable flash drive. Now if you want to remove this Android system, hold click on Shift on your keyboard, then click on Restart. Troubleshoot, Advanced, CMD. Now it will restart and ask you which one to start with, so start with Windows. After this, CMD will open up, and now do just what you see on your display. Now just format your Android partition, and that's why we made it at the beginning. Now, thank you for watching till here, and please don't forget to support me by just subscribing and giving me thumbs up. Goodbye.